It's time for Sagan's Book of the Day.
Next on Sagan and Loki. Let's take a peek.
Okay.
What's that?
Kids, you can do it! Hey, Sagan. What is your book of today? It looks like there's a kitty.
Happy Halloween with this cat.
Oh, who wrote that?
Harriet
Munster? No, Muncaster.
Muncaster.
Yeah, but Munster would be awesome too for a Halloween book. That would be great. Okay. It's pretty good too. What was this about? What was the plot?
What costumes she needed to get?
Okay, so she's trying to get a Halloween costume. Why? And her mom is what?
A witch.
Her mom's a witch. And what was special about this book that you really liked? There was something really special you liked.
Oh, the artwork.
The artwork. The artwork was much different. What made it different?
The artwork. Because look at it.
Look at it. What, you have to show them, not me. I saw it already. So, how did they do the art?
They made stuff out of art, and then took pictures of it.
They took pictures of real stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's a combination of pictures of real stuff and stuff that they built and regular old art stuff. So it gives it kind of a 3D feel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What was your favorite page? I remember your favorite page had a lot of stuff on it that would go for you. Like you had pumpkin heads and stuff.
Yeah.
Candles.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. So you found the artwork inspiring, is that amazing? The story was really simple, but the artwork is what really caught your attention. Yeah?
Yeah.
And sometimes with really elaborate artwork, you really need a simple story, so it's not overloaded. Right?
Yeah.
That's how I see it. Okay, come on back. Let's do your star ratings. Was it better, the same, or worse than you expected?
Better.
Better, right, because your mom picked this out, not you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you want to finish it once you started reading it? Yeah. Is it your kind of book?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to look for other books by this author-illustrator team? Wait, was it a team or was it just one person? I think it was just one person. And did it inspire you? Did it inspire you?
Yeah.
Star 5? So, very much so because of the artwork. It had a very simple story. So it had a nice balance between a simple story and some really, really cool, elaborate artwork. Right? That's what I like. I like that very much. Okay then. Challenge yourself to read.
Kids, you can do it!
Hi guys, it's Loki. Thanks for all your likes and comments and shares. Did you know we make safe, family-friendly playlists on a variety of subjects from other trusted channels too? No pranks, no gross-outs, and no bad behavior. Check one of them out here, or follow us on Twitter to get regular updates. See you again soon!